The HTI HT-02D stands out as a formidable tool for various applications. With its 32x32 infrared resolution and a temperature range spanning from -20 degrees centigrade to 300 degrees centigrade, this handheld thermal imager from Aliexpress offers users the ability to capture detailed thermal images in real time. Let's delve into its features, applications, and practical uses. The HT-02D boasts an impressive 32x32 infrared resolution, enabling users to capture intricate thermal images with clarity and precision. Its temperature range of -20 degrees centigrade to 300 degrees centigrade ensures versatility in detecting both hot spots and cold spots across a wide spectrum of scenarios. Operating at a 6 Hz refresh rate, this thermal imager ensures smooth and seamless data acquisition, crucial for dynamic environments. Additionally, it features a visible light camera alongside thermal imaging capabilities, providing users with contextual information for comprehensive analysis. Electricians and maintenance technicians can leverage the HT-02D to swiftly identify problem areas in electrical systems, machinery, and equipment, facilitating efficient troubleshooting and preventive maintenance. With its ability to locate hotspots on printed circuit boards (PCBs), the HT-02D proves invaluable in preventive maintenance, enabling early detection of potential failures and ensuring the reliability of electronic devices. By analyzing temperature variations, the HT-02D aids in identifying potential fire risks, enabling proactive measures to mitigate fire hazards and enhance fire protection efforts.